Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity for the freshers. So there are many hiring. So make sure to check out the all link in the description. So first important hiring, that is from the hiringbee.com. So they are hiring for the role of VAPT engineer, and for this the job location is Chennai, and this is for the Chennai candidates based only. This is fresher drive, and this is the knowledge of web and mobile application is required. So if you are interested, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Eclarx. They are hiring for the role of analyst, and for this the job location is Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, and they are hiring for the role of financial market analyst apprentice. This is a full-time role, and this is the shift timing. So if you are interested, you can apply for this role. So bachelor degree in any graduation stream can apply. Either you have done physics, chemistry, or BTech or any department, then you can apply for this profile. Basic knowledge of finance and trade cycle, investment banking is required. If you are interested, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Cyberswift. So they are hiring for the role of Infotech Private Limited, hiring software trainee. And for this, the job location is Kolkata, Salt Lake, work from office. Freshers are eager for this. So if you are from the BTech Computer Science or BCA, MCA, BSc Computer Science 2025, 2026 only, you can share your resume to this mail ID. And job posted 3 hours just ago. So make sure to apply and share resume as soon as possible. Moving to next, this is just update that Amazon is continuously hiring for the role of ML data associate, and this is also for research store. For this, the job location is Chennai, and this will be your roles and responsibility like performing the related task for ML data processing and other things are there. So eligible coin bachelor degree, they haven't mentioned any specific degree. So any degree like if you're from EC, mechanical, electrical or any branches, you can apply for this role, but you should be compatible in night shift and working on holiday. Moving to next, that is from the Cognizant. They are hiring for the role of multi-channel help desk, and this is non-tech profiles. If you're interested, you can apply for this. This will be roles and responsibility like handling daily customer and internal user queries, using MS Excel to record the test cases, and other things are there. The only requirement is you should be having good knowledge of MS Office, like MS Excel and other things are there. So if you're interested, you can apply for this role. Going to next, that is from the Accenture. They are hiring for the role of System and Application Service Associate. So this is from non-BTech profile, means you can see here, like if you are from the BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, then you can apply for this role, and maximum 23 month of full-time experience is applicable. So freshers can apply for this role, and this is the multiple location drive like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore. Moving to last important role, this is a walk-in drive at Coimbatore. So if you are residing near Chennai, then you can apply for this role. Just you have to fill out the form, and candidates who have appeared in the interview for the last 2 years are not able to apply. So only graduates can apply for this role. Hope informative to you. Koi query, feel free to ask or comment here. Friends, if you haven't applied for the role, especially 2027 pass out recruit CRM must apply. That is a wonderful opportunity. And for getting such update, you can subscribe us. कोई query, feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.